We're here at Congressional Country Club in Bethesda, Maryland. The course was originally built in 1924. We have 36 holes here. It was a Devereaux-Emmett design, and of course it's been renovated over the years. The club did purchase another piece of land, and in the 70s built another 9, so we now have 36 holes. So we have the blue course and the gold course. It's a big golf course. It's a big property. We're a busy club. We have over 3,000 members, so we're always busy. A lot of people playing golf every day. We're very excited about our future partnership with the PGA of America. We have 2 women's PGA championships, 2 senior PGA championships, the junior PGA, 2031 PGA championship, and then the 2036 Ryder Cup. For major championships, we'll bring in a lot of volunteers, so we'll have over 100 people helping us prepare for the best players in golf, which gets very exciting. It's an exciting time, a lot of long hours. A big part of getting us prepared for the next 18 years of excitement is the major renovation and making sure our drainage is right, making sure that shaping is right so that we can put on a great event. We'll start with the driving range in September of next year, and that's a full renovation of our driving range. We're building a new performance center in the back of the range, which will be very exciting for year-round golf and year-round practice. And then the winter of 2019 into 20 is when we really start into the bones of the golf course. So we'll start major dirt work in the winter of 19 and 20, and we'll be closed the entire 2020 year on the championship golf course and open back up in the spring of 21. BASF plays a huge part in supporting us. They stand behind their products. Our local sales reps are huge help. They're here throughout the season helping us with anything we need. Product support, I mean, we use their products. Insignia, Emerald, they're a big part of our program. We're using BASF products on greens, tees, fairways, and rough out here on both golf courses. I think their service and support is huge for us. I've been using BASF products for a long time now, and they always stand behind their products. They bring good products to market, and we've always been happy with their service and support. We'll open the golf course in the spring of 2021, and when you think about it, 12 months later we'll host a major championship on it.